Hello everyone, welcome to Color Our World of Art. Wanna show off the Ninja Turtle mask? These are the materials. First, paint the back of a paper plate dark green with poster paint using a paintbrush. Put some newspaper below the paint to prevent staining the surface below the plate. Then when the plate is dry, cut half the rim out of the plate. Next, cut a 4cm wide strip from the shorter side of an A4 size red paper. Draw the tied end of a bandana on the remaining paper and cut it out. It is shaped like your pointer and thumb pinching together. Cut it out. Next, put a line of glue on the plate right above the point where the remaining rim is and paste the 4cm strip there. Cut off the excess paper following the curve of the plate. Now, paste the tied end of the bandana behind the right side of the 4cm strip, based on how you see it facing you. Then, draw or trace 2 circles 2cm in diameter on white sticker paper or regular paper and cut them out. Then stick them on the bandana. Then draw pupils in the eyes and color them in with a black marker. Also draw a big gaping smile below the bandana and color it in. Now you can put your karate skills to use in the sew-over style. Yes, clean up the trash of style and reduce smell. Oh good! Thank you for watching Color Our World of Art. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.